So scanning files on your iPad is super easy. All you have to do is know which app to get into in order to scan with. Now there are a bunch of third-party apps in the App Store that you can download that do the same thing, but the Notes app is the best built-in app to be able to do that. So if I open up the Notes app, I can start by simply adding a new note by tapping the Note button in the upper right-hand corner. And from here, I have some little icons at the top. The one I want is the camera option. Now this gives me the ability to take a photo or choose a photo from my photo library and insert them into this note, or I can go ahead and tell it just to scan that document. When I do that, it gives me a camera window, and all I can do is simply hold my iPad above the item I want to scan, and you'll notice it gets these yellow boxes around it. That is what's called auto mode over here. I could do manual mode, which allows me to manually take the picture, or auto mode will automatically detect the edges of the image, and if I hold the iPad still, it'll take that picture just like that and saves it to the camera roll. Now it says it's ready for the next scan. What that means is if I had multiple pages, this is where I would flip the page and go to the next page and so on and so on, so I can actually create a multi-page PDF if I want. Now when I'm done, all I have to do is hit save, and it saves this file right here in my notes. Now, if I tap on it to open it, if when I scanned, it didn't do the perfect job, I can use this crop tool up here to adjust the edges to make sure that it did not get any of the table that I didn't want, so that it makes it perfect when it does that scan if I want. And then when I'm done, if I'm happy with it, I can simply hit the arrow key up here, and now I can share it to the app of my choice. So I could send it to Google Drive or to my Canvas app, or if I wanted to, just to save it directly to my Files app. And if I choose my iCloud Drive desktop, it'll actually be accessible from my Mac as well, or I can simply airdrop it to that if I need to. So that's a simple, easy way to scan using your iPad.